This pork steak or pork bistek is another popular Filipino dish named bistek. It is a dish traditionally made out of pork shoulders, marinated in a citrus-based juice such as a lemon or lime, and with added caramelized onions. I'm going to use these assorted pork chops, and this is around 4 pounds. First step, we're gonna make our marinade sauce. In a bowl, mix together 2 heads of minced garlic. We have 1 cup of dark soy sauce, half cup of calamansi juice. This is fresh from our calamansi tree. Calamansi is a Filipino lime, so if you don't have calamansi, you can either use lemon or lime. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, To balance the flavor of our marinade sauce, we can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And this is totally optional. And then stir until the sugar dissolves. Since I'm pescatarian, I want to try the sauce first before adding it to our pork. Konti pang sugar. Okay na to. And then we're gonna pour this mixture into our pork. So we're gonna set this aside and we're gonna marinate it for at least 30 to 60 minutes. So let's start boiling our eggs while marinating our pork. So next step is we're gonna brown our pork. And I'm going to transfer it to a bigger cooking pot. After browning our pork chops, we can add our marinade sauce. And at this point, we can also add our hard-boiled eggs. Then, I'm gonna add some water. We're gonna simmer our bistek for at least 1 hour or until it's fork tender. When the pork is ready, we can add in our onion rings. Gonna cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. I usually serve bistek with seasoned fried potatoes. So I slice all the potatoes just like this and I season it with salt and pepper. Then I'm gonna add some corn flour. Mix it well until the potatoes are covered with corn flour. And then we're gonna deep fry it until it's golden brown. This pork dish is best served with boiled rice. Once again, thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now!